In today's quick iPhone guide, I'm going to show you how to lock your hidden photos on your iPhone so that only you can access them by default. When you hide photos on your iPhone, they're removed from the main camera roll and placed in the hidden album. But here's the thing, unless you lock that album, anyone with your phone can still view those photos just by opening that album. So let's fix that by adding Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode to secure your hidden album. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Photos now. Look for the option that says Use Face ID or Use Touch ID and make sure it's turned on. You can also turn off the Show Hidden Album option if you want to completely hide the album from the Photos app menu. That way, even the album itself won't app and go to the Albums tab. You should see a lock icon next to Hidden and Recently Deleted Albums. When you tap on Hidden, the iPhone will ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If it doesn't, go. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what iPhone feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.